Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have to show you this app that will allow you to make money by playing games, answering survey, and cashing back when you shop online. And the good part of it is that when you sign up in the platform or in the app, they got to give you $5 bonus for signing up as a welcome bonus. So if you are here and you are looking for how you should make money online, this video is for you because I have to show you this particular app that will allow you to do that for free without even spending any money at all. So without further ado, let's begin. So right now in my screen, you have to see that I have a new look, and a particular website you guys to make use of is called Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars will allow you to make money by just answering survey, playing games, shopping online, and receive cash back of your shopping. That's what you have to use in order to make money using this. And the good part of it is that when you sign up, you will receive $5 bonuses. So, and if you are in US, Canada, and Australia, this particular video is for you because they will allow people that is outsiders to earn a lot of money in this particular website. So I got to take you around for you to see how the website looks like. So I got to see how it works. Brand pay us for consumer input. So we rescue members like you. So they pay them in order to deposit or in order to showcase their app or their software or their survey in this platform, and you as a consumer will come and interact with the particular platform, and then you will do online activities like paid survey, cashback shopping, trying new apps, exploring new products and service, playing games and more. So these are the things you have to do, and then you will do what in cashback, not points. So they will pay you real money that you can easily draw in your PayPal phone or your PayPal account or even in your MasterCard. So let's go straight to the downside. How you will earn free cash. So how can you earn free cash? You can earn free cash by taking paid online survey or get rewarded for playing games, cashback for online shopping, get paid to read emails, and Jurassic cash reward. So these are the five things you'll be doing, and they will be paying you for doing that, which is very for free. And over $80 million is in cash reward paid. So $80 million they have paid to their members, over $80 million, and still paying every day. So you can make your own research about this website and see how the website is performing and how the website can help you in your day life. Is for free, like I said. So these are the review people talk about these websites. Inbox Dollars reviews, people are talking about this website, and these are the partner, their partner: Walmart, Target.com, Netflix, and a lot of more. Them are their partners. And over here, as you see, Inbox Dollars make it simple to earn online, to make earn money online. So since 2000, Inbox has been over $80 million in cash reward to members for doing everyday online activities like reading emails, taking paid survey, playing games, and more. So this particular website have been in the internet over 2000, like since 2000, and it has been in this website paying a lot of people just by interacting with the app, and it's very good. You should also consider registering to the app and start making your money, as when you use my link down in the description, you guys to earn $5 or $10 as welcome bonus. So these are the things you have to know about this website, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up by subscribing to the channel and turn on your notification bell icon in order to get notified whenever I drop a video like this and a method like this. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video, and God bless.